Stop. Just stop it. You just closed another losing trade. You're staring at the screen, heart racing, blood boiling, wondering if you're even cut out for this. Every trading guru out there is going to tell you, try this new strategy. Unlike them, we're telling you, pump the brakes. Here's the truth nobody will confess to you. You don't have a dilemma with your strategy. Right now, hemorrhaging money. That's your current problem. You're revenge trading, trying to retrieve back what the market stole from you. And every time you click that buy button, you're just digging a deeper hole. That insanity ends today. Welcome to Market Mindset University Day Zero. Here's your opportunity to start fresh. Master psychology first, market second. We teach discipline before dollars. That's how we develop professional traders. This isn't just a reset, it's a declaration. Bury your old habits. From this second forward, we don't chase what we lost. We build the professional trader you were destined to become. At Market Mindset University, we don't teach you how to get rich quick. We teach you how to stop the emotional bleeding and stop losing your hard-earned money. Here's your first assignment. Walk away from the charts for the next 24 hours. No trades, no testing, total reset. When you're ready to rebuild the right way, click the link in the description. At MMU, everyone starts free. No capital required. We don't want your money. We want your commitment. Let's get you back to day zero and start over, fresh. Go to marketmindsetuniversity.com and enroll. Get our Day Zero course. That's your reset button. We'll meet you there.